Easy as pushing one button.
Hey guys, I'm at the Equip Expo. I'm here with Gary at the Milwaukee booth, and I'm looking at the M18 brushless stick pump. Gary, thanks for having us.
Thank you.
I haven't seen this before, so I think it might have been a pipeline, but I missed it. Can you tell me what is it, what is its applications, and some of the features?
Absolutely. So this is our M18 brushless stick transfer pump. Essentially, it's designed to get water out of anywhere you don't want it, no matter how dirty that water may be. We often see it used in valve boxes, getting down to a burst pipe, getting water anywhere you don't need it.
Interesting. Mm-hmm. So can we see it being used?
Absolutely.
Swap over? Or?
It's as easy as pushing one button.
So if once this drains, will it stop on its own?
Yes, it will. It's got an auto shut-off feature. So if it senses there's no water coming in there for about 20 or 30 seconds, it'll cut the motor so you're not wasting any battery.
What kind of gallons per minute are we looking at here?
This guy's pumping out 25 gallons per minute.
25. And it's running off of an M18 battery?
Yes, sir.
What kind of run time?
So this can pump out 1,000 gallons on a single 12 amp hour battery.
1,000 gallons?
1,000 gallons.
Okay. Price and availability?
Pricing, so this is unreleased right now. It's going to be coming out January of next year, and it's going to be looking around $399.
All right, and then Garrett, when you buy this, does it come with the hose? You got to figure that out on your own, or what?
So it will not come with the hose, but it will come with a 1 1/4 inch connect, as well as a 3/4 inch connect that will hook up to any standard garden hose.
Awesome, awesome. Hey, thank you so much. I appreciate it. Thank you, everybody.
Thanks.